Okay guys, welcome to another oil light reset exercise. Now here we're in a 2020, that's 2020 Mercedes Benz Sprinter. As you can see, we've just carried out a oil service maintenance on this truck. So what we're gonna do is to do the oil maintenance reset exercise. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put the ignition in the first stage, and then from there you will hold on the back arrow for 3 seconds, and on the third second you will press the home button just like this. 1, 2, 3, and then you will see this screen appears on the dashboard. Now from here what you're gonna do is to press the start stop button once more, and then you will see here you can go and do whatsoever you want to do. So you scroll down to assist plus, and from there you go to full service carried out. So you're gonna confirm all service from here. Now you're gonna choose the oil grade that you use and make sure that you select the proper oil grade, and from here it asks you oil grade service carried out, and then you select yes. By scrolling across you can use this center home button here to do the scroll from left to right. To scroll from left to right you use this button right here. So you select yes to confirm. It asks if you want to confirm, you scroll with this button right here again, and then you confirm, and then here it says full service carried out. And that is how you do the full service carried out on this a Mercedes Benz Sprinter 250. Thank you.